the MicroPC 2, a compact Windows mini laptop that targets IT professional and field technician. The device has a 7-inch Full HD Plus screen and will be available in China starting July 10th for $418. Global crowdfunding begins the same day via Indiegogo, with pricing starting from $495 for the model with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It improves upon the original MicroPC released in 2019 by offering a larger display, faster performance, and more modern design. The 7-inch LTPS panel has Full HD resolution with 500 nits of peak brightness and supports 10-point touch. GPD includes 360-degree rotating hinge and fingerprint sensor integrated in the power button. It weighs 490 grams and measures 23.5 mm thickness. The mini laptop runs on Intel processor N250, a quad-core chip built on Intel's Gracemont architecture. It operates a base TDP of 6 watts and can scale up to 15 watts for better efficiency compared to the previous processor. It has 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and supports up to 8 TB storage. The device comprises of various ports such as 2 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and HDMI 2.1 port microSD card reader and 2.5 GPDMicroPC Ethernet port. Both USB ports support display port 1.4 and fast charging. It can power up to 3 external 4K monitors at 60 Hz. For wireless connectivity, it has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 support. It features a rugged body made out of LG Dove 121H aviation grade ABS resin with 1 mm thickness that provides flame-retardant and heat-resistant protection. It's powered by a 27.5 watt-hour battery that supports 45 watt PD fast charging and includes a battery bypass function for continuous operation when connected to power source. In China, it will ship with Windows 11 Pro and is designed as a portable workstation for technical users who want full desktop features in a highly compact factor. In